Menu. Start video. Schedule button. Start video. Zoom workplace. Lesson 3. Lesson 3. The NVDA key and basic controls. Want to control NVDA with confidence? In this lesson, you'll learn what the NVDA key is, how to use essential commands, and how to change the NVDA key to caps lock if that feels more comfortable. Hey, it's Norman, the blind guy with a vision. Think computers aren't for you? Stick around, and I'll show you how NVDA lets you connect with the digital world, unlock your computer's potential, and do anything you set your mind to. Understanding the NVDA key. The NVDA key is a special key used together with other keys to give NVDA commands. By default, the NVDA key is the insert key. On most desktop keyboards, insert is located near the delete and home keys. On laptops, the insert key may be combined with another key or harder to find. Because of this, many users prefer to use the caps lock key as the NVDA key. Caps lock is easy to reach and works very well for beginners. Opening NVDA settings. Let's change the NVDA key to caps lock. Hold down the NVDA key. If you have not changed it yet, this will be the insert key. While holding it, press the letter N. Release both keys. This opens the NVDA menu. Press the down arrow key until you hear Preferences. Press Enter. Press the down arrow key until you hear Settings. Press Enter. You are now inside the NVDA settings window. Navigating to keyboard settings. Press the down arrow key until you hear Keyboard. This section controls which keys NVDA uses for commands. Setting caps lock as the NVDA key. Press the tab key until you hear Use caps lock as an NVDA modifier key. Press the spacebar to turn this option on. You may also hear an option for using insert as an NVDA key. You can leave it on for now or turn it off later once you are comfortable. Saving the change. Press the tab key until you hear OK. Press Enter. NVDA will now use caps lock as the NVDA key. From now on, when you hear the words NVDA key, you can press caps lock instead of insert. I will now demonstrate this on screen. NVDA menu. Preferences sub-menu P. Settings. S. NVDA settings, General, Speech 2 of 17. Braille 3 of 17. Audio 4 of 17. Vision 5 of 17. Keyboard 6 of 17. Keyboard property page. Keyboard layout, combo box desktop collapsed Alt plus K. Select NVDA modifier keys list Alt plus S. Caps lock checkbox checked, not checked, checked. Speak typed characters, combo box only in edit controls collapsed Alt plus speak typed words, speech interrupt for typed characters checkbox checked off speech interrupt for enter key allow skim reading and say beep if typing lowercase let speak command keys checkbox play sound for spelling errors while handle keys from other multiple key press timeout OK button. Lesson 3. Text, no, using basic NVDA commands with caps lock. Now let's practice using caps lock as the NVDA key. Turning speech on and off. Hold caps lock. Press the letter S. Release both keys. I will now demonstrate this on screen. Speak command keys on. Speech mode on demand. Speech mode off. Speech mode beeps. Speech mode talk. Speech mode on demand. Speech mode off. Speech mode beeps. Speech mode talk. Down arrow, adjusting speech speed. Down arrow, to increase speech speed. Down arrow, hold caps lock and control. Down arrow, press the up arrow key. Down arrow, to slow down speech. Down arrow, hold caps lock and control. Down arrow, press the down arrow key. Down arrow, I will now demonstrate this on screen. NVDA plus Control plus down arrow, rate 46. NVDA plus Control plus up arrow. NVDA plus Control plus down arrow, rate 46. NVDA plus finding out where you are on the screen. Hold caps lock. Press the tab key. Focus means the item your computer is currently working with, such as a button, link, text box, or menu. Wherever the focus is, that is where your typing or actions will go. NVDA will tell you what item is currently focused so you always know where you are. I will now demonstrate this on screen. Start window, C-A-T, Chat. Norman, your Chrome. ChatGPT window. Speak command key. Tab escape. Shift plus tab. Shift plus tab. 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 Control plus T. Tab. Tab. Shift plus tab. Shift plus tab. Shift plus tab. 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 Lesson 3. Text, note down arrow. Practice activity. NVDA plus, take a few minutes to practice. Use caps lock plus S to turn speech off and back on. Increase or decrease the speech rate until it feels comfortable. To increase speech speed, hold caps lock and control, then press the up arrow key. To slow the speech down, hold caps lock and control, then press the down arrow spelling error key. Your focus is on the screen. Practice slowly and calmly. There is no rush. Next lesson preview. Blank. Blank. Off. You'll learn the difference, but in the next lesson, we'll explore focus and navigation. You'll learn the difference between system focus and the review cursor, and how to avoid common beginner mistakes that often confuse new NVDA users. Blank. Blank. ChatGPT window. Screen. Start video, Alt plus V,